Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you guys a quick little video. I'm going to be restoring my headlights to make it look nice and new again. As you can see, the lens is getting a little yellowish and flaky here, so I'm going to be restoring those. I'm not really going to be showing you guys how to polish them. There's a ton of videos on YouTube on how to do that. What I do want to show you guys is that this gasket here, this little rubber piece, as you can see, it ends right here. It broke off. You can actually change this rubber piece. Is this piece right here. It's called the headlight gasket. It's really easy to change, and it will prevent you from having this gap right here between the fender and the headlight. I notice a lot of times when it becomes gooey. How this one it gets really gooey, and it just smears everywhere. So you can go ahead and change that, make it new again. A lot of the gaskets on this car on the exterior tend to dry out or get all gooey. You see how it's doing that? So hopefully you can change it to a new gasket, and these are very inexpensive. You can get these at the dealer really cheap. They're not too much money, and it's really easy. You are gonna have to remove the headlight, but it's a quick little thing you can do to change the appearance, at least for the headlights. Once you polish them up, make them look nice and new again. Okay, so once you get your headlight removed, what you want to do is remove the little plug here. Little plug right here, just remove this, and this is the gasket. You can see the gasket is all this right here. See how it's all rubberized and melting, and it goes down to here, and it just snaps on. So these little clips here, and you pull this down. If it breaks, it doesn't matter because you're already putting a new one, but the new one is a little more flexible. It's not stiff like this one. And there you go. That's all it takes to remove the old one. So now I can polish it up and then install the new one. Alright, after you finish polishing it up and then you're happy the way it all came out, then you can put on the gasket. It's really easy. It's just going to snap in the same way it came out. And then there's little tabs here. They press in and it snaps in place. There. As you can see, it's a nice new gasket again. Makes the headlight look a lot newer now. So it's gonna go ahead and install it back on the vehicle, and you're all set. Alright, now we have our freshly polished headlight installed. Headlight looks nice and new again. Got the new gasket in, so it's really filling up the gap between the hood and the fender. It's a really easy thing to do, especially if you're going to be polishing up your headlights. Might as well change the gasket out, because more than likely it's already broken up over the years, or it turned to like a gum, and it just smears black everywhere whenever you wash your car. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. I'll be posting new videos. Comment below if you have any suggestions of videos I should be doing on the E60. Thanks a lot for watching.